Good morning, good afternoon, good evening abantu baminto andonsia semure sensingima nkwirari bagiriga kama kawa kama dawa. This is authentic Dennis Ouru media igaria YouTube Dennis Ouru asensemo ya TikTok. Asetariri yari tukuria rero ni gontete gukwanira iguru y'umujumbo mukoro bwe constituency ya West Mugirango omusike Kemosimugaka. Kemosimugaka asamasikaniye president ni garanga tigamo ribaga ryobo ambassador igaria Accra Ghana egere kiagara bana supporters ba UDA mujumbe Kemosimugaka uyoro mu wakili igaimuka agakana ribagerio narorira barai ao gati abo mujumbe o West Mugirango bona igo musike Steve Mugaka bakugikirie nganeyo jetigangi cha sole bune layman ngotebinga ninki tuwa Misiri kubwatekana nukwanga kwirari bageriga litanga ni Kemosimugaka natebete nga igatigete kwirari bageri because of his family reasons, which is okay, but as we always say umwana siasa n'umwana siasa na ende ngo totanganira bari mutu akili ariko yego bo ambassador boli aboire abana bo mugusi nkonyora barenge emirimo igali bwoye gusi security comment yarengo abantu bako murugera bwoye igali Accra Ghana abantu nkuruzi kubarenga abayiruororo security nkuruzi kubarenga bado bayiruororo nechigasi chinde chinyinge tutanyare gukwanira gaye totebenga at least abantu ikomi mo kumichinga chikona kuge background. It's normal abantu bali ngoche konyolegasi igambale kuba less than 10 bali ngoche benefit kurwa siri bagari na baro baragiri chi family chiabo na baro bubeko bakonye nonde. Surely, sincerely speaking, umusikie Kemosimugaka ni matenga na no the interest chiao, it's your right ukana, lakini renda I really hope you had proper communication no muraibuense egereri bagariri ndibase ko yana nugo chiande abantu mbole nyamira bakorerete epati ya UDA gasi nyinge buna bono babere ne onyakiba abadamu nambara buna bayiguri bagabunerio egera at least libagariri litigare kobera nyamira going forward ebarai baito nonye politicians mo the selfish interests ligero linaba bataka batari kwenyara narayo asebono genda gari YouTube authentic Dennis Ouru media, share, subscribe, and then kuna a button here. God bless you. Na boy goti nkwe bakwenyura abantu baita bagusti bali bakoenia bamu abali tukolia rero being a Friday. May God console you, may God give you courage and give you energy to go on with your life, and may He protect your family. Goodbye.